Hi, I'm Shannon from Home Alchemy Living, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own lion's mane coffee, or I'm going to show you how to make lion's mane powder to use in your coffee. As I'm sure you're all aware, there is kind of a mushroom craze going out there, but lion's mane in particular has a host of scientifically proven benefits when you take it on a daily basis. There really are almost no negative side effects, but as a disclaimer, I'm always going to put this out there. Please talk to your doctor or nutritionist if you have any concerns about, trying something that you haven't tried before. With that being said, I want to keep this short and sweet, and I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why I love lion's mane so much. And honestly, there are so many more benefits than what you're going to see here on the screen and what I'm going to talk about. But I figured I'd give you the top 5 that you're most commonly going to read about if you just do a Google search on lion's mane. Number one, it's an anti-inflammatory. Number two is a big one. It helps repair and regrow nerve cells. Number three, it can reduce mild symptoms of depression and anxiety. Number four, it protects against dementia. And I think that kind of loops around to number two, where it helps repair and regrow your nerve cells. Last but not least, number five, it boosts your immune system. And I'm going to leave that there because there's so much more that you can research on your own. Those are just kind of the 5 heavy hitters, I think, personally. I wanted to show you how you can easily make your own lion's mane powder. You can either mix it in your favorite coffee grounds and brew a pot of it, or if you use like a reusable cup, which is what I do, you can put it in yogurt if you like it that way, or you can put it directly into your coffee if you don't mind the kind of fruiting body that it has and getting little chunks of mushroom in your coffee. Either way, it's a super easy process to make it. It's like 3 steps. All you need are some lion's mane mushroom. You can find that if you're a person who likes to forage. You don't have to forage though to find it. You can also find it in any local health food store. You can also find it in the grocery store, honestly. And last but not least, you can also get it from a mushroom supplier. And you need a good blender and a baking pan. If you have a dehydrator, great, but you just really don't need it. All right, enough of me talking. Let's get started.
Lion's mane looks like literally a lion's mane. It's truly easy to identify in nature if you're out foraging, but you can also easily purchase already ground lion's mane powder from a supplier online or the mushrooms themselves from your local grocery store. For step one, rinse and clean your mushrooms, then slice into thin layers. For step two, spread the mushrooms out evenly on the trays of your dehydrator. Dehydrate for 2 hours on medium. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can place them on a baking sheet and bake at 175 for 1 hour, then flip them over and bake for another hour, 2 hours total. When your mushrooms are a nice golden color and completely dry, they're ready to be ground. For step three, put your dehydrated mushrooms into a blender or Ninja and grind them into a fine powder. 2 5-ounce containers of store-bought lion's mane produces a little over 2 ounces of the ground powdered version. Store and mix in your daily coffee or tea, add to yogurt, or however you'd like to consume it. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe down below.